Narrator, in a vibrant neighborhood, preparations for a grand community festival are underway. However, the organizers and visitors are facing significant transportation challenges. Ria, oh no, guests are calling me because they are unable to find affordable cabs to reach the venue. Some of them are even getting late. Aman, I've been checking different cab apps, but each one shows different prices. It's confusing and time-consuming to decide which option is the best. Neha, Ria, I was so excited to attend the festival, but I couldn't find a reliable scooter to rent and had to come on foot. Visiting different rental shops and websites is very exhausting and tiring too. Narrator, with so many transportation issues and limited time, the situation becomes stressful and disorganized. Ria, I wish there was a single platform where we could find cabs at an affordable rate and easily rent vehicles like bikes or scooters without any hassle. Narrator, just when everything seems overwhelming, Aman remembers a smart solution. Aman, wait, I recently discovered an app called Sarthi, just like a guide. It helps users compare cab fares from multiple providers, book rides instantly, and rent vehicles such as bikes, scooters, or cars, all in one place. Ria, that sounds perfect. Let's try it right away. Aman, look, this app is showing the cheapest and fastest cab options available nearby. And here we can easily rent a scooter for Neha within just a few taps. Neha, that's amazing! This app is so convenient and easy to use. Now I can reach the festival on time. Narrator, within minutes, their transportation problems begin to fade as Sarthi connects them with the most affordable and reliable services. Cab driver, thanks to Sarthi, passengers can easily find and book my cab. I now receive more ride requests and can serve customers more efficiently. Vehicle rental provider, Sarthi has also helped my rental business grow. Customers can view available bikes and cars, compare prices, and book them instantly. It benefits both us and the users. Ria, this is incredible. Sarthi has saved us so much time and money. Managing transportation for the event has become effortless. Aman, absolutely. Everything from booking cabs to renting vehicles has been handled smoothly through a single app. Neha, from now on, Sarthi will be my go-to app whenever I need a cab or want to rent a vehicle. Narrator, the festival begins successfully. Guests arrive on time and the atmosphere is filled with joy and celebration, all thanks to Sarthi's seamless transportation solutions. Ria, Sarthi truly guided us like a friend in need. Aman, yes, it transformed our stressful situation into a smooth and enjoyable experience. All characters together. Thank you, Sarthi. Narrator, closing line, Sarthi, compare smart, ride smart.
Today, we are proud to introduce Sarthi, an innovative mobile application designed to simplify everyday travel and rental needs. The name Sarthi is derived from Sanskrit, which means a guide, symbolizing someone who leads others on the right path. In today's fast-paced world, comparing cab fares or finding reliable rental services can be time-consuming and confusing. Sarthi brings all these services together on a single platform so that users can instantly compare cab prices from multiple providers, rent vehicles such as bikes or cars, With its user-friendly interface, real-time availability, and ratings and reviews, Sarthi ensures transparency, saves time, reduces costs, making it a dependable companion for everyone.
Building on these features, Sarthi also emphasizes on security and reliability. All drivers and rental providers are carefully verified, giving confidence in the services they choose. Sarthi provides transparent pricing with no hidden charges, along with personalized recommendations to help users find the best deals quickly. Additionally, in the future, we will also provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring assistance whenever needed. By connecting local vendors with customers, Sarthi also strengthens small businesses and promotes sustainable mobility. In conclusion, Sarthi is more just an app. It is a trusted companion that guides users towards smarter, safer, and more economical choices. Sarthi, well, it's a smart guide for every journey. Thank you.